Let's do some trades. The Victory Lane Exchange listed 500 shares for sale at $1.10 per share and is shown as the seller. All exchanges sees the listing posted on active trades. The Blue Ribbon Exchange purchased the shares, adding 500 shares to its existing 1,000, bringing its total to 1,500 shares. The Victory Lane Exchange earns a $50 profit, while reducing its holdings from 2,500 shares to 2,000 shares. Needing cash for an emergency, the Derby Gate Exchange listed 800 of its 1,800 shares at 95 cents each, a 5-cent per share loss. Viewing it as a bargain, the Starlight Exchange buys the shares for $760. The Derby Gate Exchange receives the much-needed cash, while the Starlight Exchange increased its holdings at a bargain, from 1,200 shares to 2,000 shares. The Starlight Exchange wants to increase its shareholdings and posts a bid to buy 1,000 shares at $1.15 each, showing confidence in the future growth of the REX portfolio. The Crown Run Exchange, viewing the offer as favorable, accepts the bid and sells 1,000 shares to Starlight for $1,150. As a result, Starlight increases its total holdings to 3,000 shares, while Crown Run reduces its position from 4,000 to 3,000 shares, realizing a $150 profit on the trade. This is just a small example of the kind of business you can conduct trading shares within the REX Collective from your private exchange, while also earning potential returns from the performance and profitability of the REX portfolio based on the shares you hold. There you have it, a business opportunity where you're in control every step of the way. You decide your startup cost, you create your trade strategy. Are you buying or are you selling? You decide how many shares to hold to receive cash disbursements from the REX portfolio. So what are you waiting for? Open your exchange and use your social network to bring new trading partners into the collective. Together, we'll take control of a significant share of the world's best-bred racing prospects. Buying, racing, and selling on the world's biggest stage. Trade shares within the REX Collective through our exclusive trade portal and experience the thrill of competition from the sales ring to the racetrack, all while having fun and making money every step of the way. Open your free exchange. What you do with it is up to you.